Hello, my name is Kenneth Robertson with the Northwest Earth and Space Science Pathway Program. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with the regolith material for your building habitats on the moon lesson. For the sake of this lesson, we want to make sure that we put on a pair of rubber gloves. While the regolith material is not exactly toxic for skin contact, we just want to have these on to make sure that we decrease the amount of mess that is created. Here, I will show you what you will need for the experiment, along with the mixing proportions, which are as follows. You will need a mixing bowl, 1 cup of the regolith material, a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of water, along with a spoon or mixing tool to mix the ingredients. For further experimentation, you can also try this mixture without adding the flour to it. Now, let's add the cup of regolith material and the 1/4 cup of flour to the mixing bowl. Then, using the spoon, we want to make sure that we thoroughly mix the two mixtures together so that they look fully combined. Once the two mixtures are fully combined, then you can add the 1/2 cup of water. Once again, you want to make sure that the mixture in the bowl and the water are fully combined. Once the mixture is fully combined, you should be able to get a malleable consistency that almost resembles that of Play-Doh, while also not being overly moist. If you find that the mixture is too moist or is not able to hold its shape, you may need to add more of the aforementioned ingredients in order to get to the ideal consistency. Once you have the consistency that you're able to work with, you may start actually building structures with it. This can range from a simple box design, to even a triangle-based design. This is where students are able to experiment and see what structurally works and what doesn't. For additional experimentation, students can work with the mixture without adding the flour. Students can then make observations on what they noticed building with the material that had flour and the material that only had water and the regolith material. I hope this video has turned your frustration into inspiration, and I wish you the best of luck on your building habitats on the moon lesson.